For years, Salesforce recovery was limited to just two approaches.
The first approach was snapshot-based recovery. Data is periodically copied outside the Salesforce organization. When an incident occurs, recovery is performed between snapshots rather than at the exact moment the problem happened.
The second approach was record per change recovery. Every modification is stored as a separate history record. This provides detailed change tracking, but can create significant storage overhead and complex manual recovery workflows.
A different recovery model is now possible. Introducing UndoEngine.
UndoEngine continuously tracks change history across your Salesforce organization. Instead of relying on snapshots or creating a separate record for every change, UndoEngine stores history in a highly compact structure optimized for native Salesforce storage efficiency. Every incident can be investigated across a precise historical timeline. Restore exact moments in time without relying on snapshot intervals or complex manual recovery workflows.
UndoEngine. Continuous recovery for Salesforce. Restore exact moments in time. Investigate incidents visually. Roll back only what changed. Git for Salesforce data.